Well, I'll give you the initial plan. I
Okay.
said, I'll tell you. You know the grading. If you don't know the grading, the computer knows the
Knows the grading, yeah.
Okay, no big deal, right? All that you see in the start cut out of 5 boxes of kind of trash that I had really left over. Just a simple
One at a time.
It's still gonna be low price. Because that's so if you did a co-op, you could avoid that kind of feeling.
Yeah.
I have 32, 37 employees. And then I'm gonna make bell bottoms. Like crazy too.
Okay.
And I'm gonna make
And they all still are going to be original, like just basic.
Like
and you
the
do all
design.
the
I do the
extra-
design.
You do the design. Okay. All right.
I designed the pattern. People are gonna copy that. I don't care.
Okay.
I'm already first.